My name is Manu Francis and welcome back to Edwhere. In this video, we are trying to install Nessus, a vulnerability scanner in our Kali Linux system. So let's get into the installation steps. We have our Kali Linux system here. I am trying to log into the system. I am using my password and username. Okay, I'm trying to log in. We have the Kali Linux system and going into the browser. Firefox browser is which I am using. I'm going to Firefox browser. Here you can type or search Nessus download. Okay, that is the command which we should give, Nessus download, and press enter key. We can see the Tenable Nessus download page link here. We can click on that. The page has been loaded. We can see the download option here. We can choose the version and also the platform. We are using Linux and it is AMD 64, so we don't want to change anything, just download. Agree to the license agreement. So it is downloading the package for Nessus. Our download is completed, so we can try to install this package into our computer. For that, we can go to the terminal and then we can go to our downloads folder. Let me give the ls command. So we can see that the Nessus package is over here. Nessus 10.8.2, Ubuntu 16.4, AMD 64 version is here. What we can do is, we can install this package by using the dpkg. dpkg can be used to install this package, so the command for that is dpkg -i for installation and the name of the package. Okay, we have the package here, so I am just trying to copy that and paste it here. So let's run this command. There is an error of we need a super user privilege. Okay, so for that what we can do? We can add a sudo to the front. Sudo and then the same command itself. Let me copy it from here. So we have the entire command here. I am pressing enter key. I am giving my password here. Okay, it is now installing. The installation phase is completed. What we can do right now is that we can start the Nessus service. So for that we can use the command system control systemctl, that is system control. We need to add sudo before this too. Sudo system control, and we are going to start a service. So we are giving start and the service name is Nessus B. Okay, Nessus B, and we are clicking the enter key. We do not know if Nessus is started yet. So what we can do is sudo and same command system control, and then we can check the status of Nessus B. If it is running, we will get a status as running. So the service is active and run. So we ensure that it is running and we can go to the Nessus control panel. For that what we can do is we can go to our browser itself and just type https:// and the local host with the port number 8834. Okay, this is the generic port number which is used by Nessus, so we can see the Nessus installation on this port. We can see a potential security risk. Just go to the advanced and accept the risk and continue. We see a Tenable Nessus here and we need to give a username and password here. We don't have any username and password. Just wait for a little bit to show something like this. And then we are trying to go to continue. We are trying to register for Nessus Essentials. So just click on that and press continue. We need to give the first name, last name and email. Okay, so if you give your registered business email, you can get a activation code sent to your mail. So if you don't have a business email, what you can do is you can go to your browser itself and try for a temporary mail. Okay, just search for temporary mail. So there is a link for temp mail here. Just click on that and you will be getting a temporary mail address here. It is loading. Once it is loaded, just copy that and go to the Nessus setup and give some name for first name and also the last name, and give the temporary mail which you created and then click register. So you will be getting the activation code on your mail. You can go to your mail for the activation code, or you will be getting the activation code here itself. So you got the activation code and also you can continue over here. You can create a username and password here. The username can be anything. I'm just giving admin, and the password, I'm just giving password itself. And clicking submit. The setup is completed. Nessus will be downloading some plugins for the smooth working of that software. So it may take some time, just wait for that. Our download is now completed, so you can see the dashboard here, Tenable Nessus dashboard here. You can go to anything. The settings are there, the scans are there. Okay, so the download and installation is complete. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel. And if you need cybersecurity free courses and all, you can go to learn.edwhere.com, create an account and sign in for our free courses. Also, if you are a cybersecurity learner, we have a free community for cybersecurity students. You can join into that. We will be sharing free content over there. And the updates for free webinars and everything will be updated on the WhatsApp channel. So you can join our WhatsApp channel by the link provided in the description. Thank you.